When children are stuck, they are making no movement forward. They have persistent or increasing anxiety. This is something that you want to know. If they are persistently sad or irritable, if they are dealing with persistent guilt or self-blame, if they have negative behaviors that persist and don't change, really important. And one other thing, too, that I will add there, the negative behaviors that persist and don't change, things that are disrespectful, outbursts, meltdowns, tantrums, agitation. And one other thing that I think is really important is that when parents get stuck, when other members of the family are stuck in their grief and don't cope well, the child is going to be stuck as well. And so the family system needs to be addressed at that point. I think it's so difficult for children to progress when family members don't. How to help stuckness? I don't think that's a real word, but I like it. First of all, if you can identify the persistent feeling or behavior, and often these are anger, guilt, or fear-based behaviors, it's really important if you can do that. And again, the magical thinking part, so that you can begin to help a child realize that thoughts and feelings don't cause things to happen. They're not that powerful. Asking a child, here's a great one, what would you change if you had magic and you could make it happen? And this will help you kind of identify things that might be unfinished business for the child, like I wish I could say goodbye to him, or I wish they would have let me see him after he died. You know, sometimes children will tell you things, and then you can set up some opportunities to help them finish unfinished business. We'll talk about some of those things. Helping a child imagine what he could do to make things happen differently and maybe find a way to illustrate this.